So, how to actually trade fundamentally? To be honest, it's pretty simple. Now, what I provide you with the tools that you need for that. For example, an indicator that basically reads the CUT index. It puts the CUT report into an index, and that index you can use to trade. Now, this represents institutional positioning. This is retail trader positioning, and this is hedge fund positioning. Now, a hedge fund, if the market goes long, fundamentally a hedge fund will always go short because they have to hedge. Institutions go with the direction. And after they both line up and retail starts selling, retail is wrong most of the time. It's very likely that we're going to see an up move. And now if you look at right here, so the CUT report, we had unusually strong behavior for upside on hedge funds, institutions. And now if we look here, what do we see? We see liquidity building up, a fast takeout move, which on a daily chart formed a undervaluation right here. This is another tool that I will provide you with. So if the market is undervalued against other asset classes, then it's basically a fundamental RSI. So way more accurate, way more accurate. Now everything you got here, everything, it just presents a long. Fundamentally, it should go up. The tariffs from Trump messed up the entire market. If you look at the DXY, for example, you saw this right here. I didn't draw that. That's a wick caused by the 100% tariffs by Trump. Now that means that fundamentally the DXY, that's it for it basically. It's going down, definitely. Because Trump is messing around like this. But here for the S&P it means good. But of course the currency is gonna get humbled completely. So our trade on Aussie dollar should really go up. Now you can take the trade. I'm posting this video to just tell you can take the trade long because I know it's going to work. And yeah, do what you want with it. You can pass fund accounts with it. I mean, this is just going up. This is like in a back testing, something like this has an over 90% chance of hitting. Now I traded this with around 1 risk to reward. Here my funded the running P&L. $4, I would make like 150 profit from it today, and it's a pretty good trade. Now this is how you trade fundamentally. Now, if you look through my YouTube channel further, you actually realize that I also built a risk management model, institutional risk management model, where you can simulate on a website. You can simulate outcomes on a website and put your strategy stats in and see how your strategy would have performed if you would have used the institutional risk management model that I made. Now, this is not the model that I'm using right now. This is the swing trading approach, which is profitable within itself without any risk management, which is pretty good. And yeah, this is how I basically used to pass the funded accounts. That's basically how it's done. So if you want to learn more, I have my Discord link in the comments, and also I have a link in my YouTube channel description. I'm gonna check it out. On my YouTube channel, there are multiple links. You can check them all out. I made EAs that work. I showed the backtest in the previous YouTube video. And yeah, if you want to get profitable trading, finally, without all these fake mentors that just copy stuff, because actually I show you the backtest, I show you data on it, I show you my real money results, and based on that you can make a conclusion that the stuff I'm showing you works, especially because I'm forecasting a trade on a YouTube video before the trade even ran into a good amount of profit. There's basically a signal that you can take. I'm running it on funded accounts, on multiple ones. I'm having a 100k right now. This also runs on that I tried to pass with this one trade. And yeah, feel free to check everything out. I'm here to help. I'm here to make some money, like all of you guys, I hope. And have a good one.